Welcome to Safety Products. Today we'll be looking at how to reset a safety pull device. Both pull rods must be tensioned out to 100 mm from the enclosure to allow the device to be set. Then the device can be set via the front dial or tripped via the front dial if need be. Once the pull rods are in position, then the device can be tripped via the pull wires. As you can see here, we are just showing the basic action of the pull rods moving in and outwards as if they were operated via the attached pull wires. The functional safety system of the device makes sure the pull wires are always attached and cannot be reset, allowing unsafe situations to arise. Therefore, it is called the safety pull. Thank you for watching.